Morning, guys. It's Saturday. Not my favorite day of the week to be working, but sometimes it's necessary. Today we're gonna go back to that house with that hillside. We got to get that job wrapped up today because on Monday we're going back to that big job in Yucaipa. So today I'm gonna go pick up the guys, go pick up some other materials. We need some irrigation supplies. We need some mulch, which is gonna go back in that hillside, and we also need some plants. So we'll catch you guys there.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
What happened, man?
Are you ready for work?
Here at the nursery now, picking up plants. We have some foxtail red velvet, some hybrid lavender, and a few other things, some lantanas. Got that all ready to go. Finally made it to the job site. Just finished laying out the plants for the guys. They're gonna get going with the planting. And then after that, they're gonna move on to putting in the drip system. And then after that, we're gonna dress up the planter beds with mulch. So the mulch that we got for this lady here, we have a forest floor mulch. It's an organic mulch, 0 to 1.5 inch shredding. And this stuff is gonna break down over time and really help that soil composition. So we have that all ready to go. Let me show you guys why I got home so late yesterday. This is not usually my work truck. This is my work truck. But when I was driving home yesterday, this happened. Had a blowout, and the guy I bought the truck from decided to take the rods that dropped the spare tire down. So I couldn't drop my spare yesterday. I ended up having to have it towed. So I had it towed to the job site because I can just go pick up a set of rods today and take care of it here on the job site and get that truck up and running again. Other than that, I'll let you guys see what this looks like back here. So there was one change to the plants that we made. I substituted one plant with a different one. We had red yucca going up there, and I didn't like it. I didn't think we were gonna get enough height out of it. So I ended up substituting that with the foxtail, red velvet foxtail. So you can see that's the guy up there. Got the guys working on planting, and once they're done doing that, they're gonna be taking care of the drip irrigation. So system's all laid out. We just have to put it in the ground, make it look pretty. Okay, so the planting's all in place here. We're just working on getting all the irrigation finalized, running an emitter to each plant with the drip. These will be Rainbird 2 gallon per hour emitters. There should be plenty for these plants. So once the irrigation gets finalized, we're gonna grade it, try to remove a lot of these dirt clumps out of the soil, and then we're gonna start laying down our mulch, which is gonna be a process because there's no way of getting any machinery up here since it's this planter is up high and it's already got steps and finished concrete. So we're gonna keep working at it. So you can see we already finished up with the removing the dirt clumps. You can see them here. We're just gonna haul them out of here. The irrigation's already in place. We have drip emitters to each plant. It's all looking good. Final step is just to add mulch. We're gonna tie into the irrigation line to drop irrigation into this little planter down here. That one's actually down at the bottom. So we're almost there. It's just a matter of finishing up the cleanup work, and we're gonna start hauling mulch back here. Since it's up on the hillside and above a retaining wall, it has to be all by hand. So we're gonna get to it. Okay, we're all wrapped up back here. This is the end result here. Gone ahead and laid our mulch. Got everything cleaned up. So you guys can see all the lights are in place. All the mulch is in place. This turned out to be a really nice project. You can see how it all came together. So we're just gonna set up the timer for her right now, and that should be it for this part of it. She did go ahead and add a little more work in the front, which we're gonna go ahead and take care of right now. Just basically removing a few pygmy palms, and we did have a little bit of mulch left over, so we're gonna go ahead and fill that area with mulch as well, get it all cleaned up. But as you can see, this is what the final result is here.